Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based smart attendance system. So in this project we are using an power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, and a 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pin, and EM18 RFID module we are using. And here we have two RFID cards and one GSM SIM 800 GPRS module we are using. Those are connected with RX, TX and 0 and 1. So here is our web page. We need to log in first, then we can see the attendance details here. So here we are using a GSM GPRS SIM 800L we are using. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL SIM card, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So here we are using one adapter power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 780 for regulator, one LED, power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, and 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And EM18 RFID module we are using, and two RFID cards we can extend, and depend upon the controller board we can extend it. So here we need to log in first. IoT ATTENT IoT ATTENT 456, submit. So login details came, attendance. So here also login details came. Okay, so student 2 and date and time also came. So now I'm going for the student 1 in at college, sending SMS alert. This is SMS alert should be sent to student mobile number. SMS sent. So student 1 in at college, date and time. Student 2 in at college, and it is sending the SMS alert to this mobile number. Student 2 in at college, and it is sending the server. Student 2 hall ticket number or class number, roll number, in at college, date and time. So now we will go for the out. Student 1 at out. It is sending the data to server and update in the day. Student 1 college hall ticket number or roll number, out at date and time. So now we are going for the student 2. Yeah, we got the message alert. Student 2 out at college. Okay, student 2 hall ticket number or roll number, out and date and time. So here GSM GPRS SIM 800L, power supply board, Arduino Uno R3 board, EM18 RFID module, and one beep sound, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. So whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Those are connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. EM18 it is connected to the second pin. GSM RX TX it is connected to the 0 and 1. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded.